gonna take this bad baby, chop it up. This is what it looked like. Hold on, let me get over here. I was watching this little Monica and Brandy thing, but this is what it looked like right here. I got that light on. Fly Guy Terrio. If I pull it down some, boom, got a little dates down there. I'm gonna use this artwork right here to make a retractable banner. And I decided, you know what, I be doing a lot of stuff in the shop and I don't record it, but I'm gonna make a video out of this one so y'all can watch the process, and maybe you might decide you want to do something like this, add this in your product line. So I'm gonna check back with you guys very, very shortly, probably in about, I don't know, a few seconds. Peace. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Thank you so very much for being here. I'm gonna do this video today real quick with Caleb over here. Let me make sure I got everything I need.
What's up?
Flathead screwdriver dude over here. Talking to him about some what's up. Flathead screwdriver, we definitely need some tape. I need a banner stand, because what I'm doing today is a retractable banner. These buttons ain't got nothing to do with anything that I'm doing. I just want to try to get some stuff squared off. So I think that's it. So I've already took the liberty, guys, of cutting up the banner, printed it out on a 64 inch rolling print and cut printer. I think I showed you guys, well, I know I showed you guys that a couple times in some videos. So I'm gonna knock out this banner today. You really don't need much to do retractable banners. You just need some retractable banner stands. These are 33 by 80 inch retractable banner stands. You need some packing tape, flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna show you everything in a couple minutes. Give me a second. Alright, so getting to it, guys. We ain't gonna waste no time. Try to keep this video up under 10 minutes if I can. I'm gonna try to keep it up under 10 minutes. So, just throwing stuff to the side. Oh yeah, I got some buttons over here to actually match. Bam, let me come around this table. I got some buttons to actually match. I don't know where y'all looking at, but buttons to match the retractable banner stand. Or the retractable banner, I'm sorry. So, gotta take this bad puppy up out of the package. Guys, you can get these banner stands from any place that sells stands. You can go on Amazon, you can go on eBay, you can find some other companies that have them, local companies, whatever. They're not hard to find. They kind of inexpensive as well, especially if you grab them on Amazon and eBay. These particular ones I did not grab off Amazon and eBay. I don't remember the name of the company, but it's the only thing that I buy from this company is retractable banner stand. So, yeah. So, what comes in the package? Pretty much the stand with the retractable film that's inside the 3M film. It has the top of the stand, which I need to actually take that out the plastic as well. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff, and the actual pole, which has two, like, I don't know what they call this, like telescopic. You turn it and you lift it up. It goes up to 80 inches. It might go a little bit beyond that, but 33 by 80, that's the size we're trying to work with today. So, boom. What I do is I'm gonna turn this banner around this way. The first thing you want to do is actually attach the bottom part. So, I don't want it pulling too much. I'm gonna pull this over here. I don't know if it's gonna go less than 10 minutes, guys, but I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as possible. So, take my flathead screwdriver, bing, bing, bing. I'm gonna take these two ends out. Let me get up here and show you real quick. These two little ends, do you see them?
Bro, nobody didn't even touch you.
He just gonna mess my video up. It's alright though. But anyway, you take them two little things out, put them to the side. Matter of fact, you want to make sure that you remember what size they come off so it's no confusion. The stand, top of the stand has a little thing here that says insert, so you know that that's where you're going. You want to take this flathead screwdriver and insert it. Oh, actually it's already up. Now if it wasn't up, it'll be popped down like this right here, and that's how you lock it. You would take your flathead screwdriver and pop it up. So get it up in a popped up position. You want to thread the top of the banner stand into the slot. It's a little tricky because it never wants to just go in easily. Of course not, especially when you're doing a doggone video. So I'm gonna start down here. Let's see. Boom. There we go. Alright. A little tricky, but it's alright. So get the top of it threaded up in there. This is the tricky part, actually, because you want to make sure that everything is even as possible. The stand, not the stand, but the banner and the, I don't know what they call this top piece, but the interlocking top piece, you want to make sure that it's in there as flush as possible, and you want to try to push down as much space of it as possible and get it locked in. Use a little strength here. You ain't got to be He-Man, but you definitely want to put a little back muscle into it. So, take the ends, slap them back on to the top, and this is going to act as like a lock. It's going to lock the banner inside, so it's not going to come out. It's not going to pop up. Plus, we didn't already press that down, so that's good. Now what we do after this point, we take the whole banner, flip it over, bring the top part of the banner down, because now we're about to work with this piece down here. So, alright.
Let's go! Fire!
Take the bottom of the stand. You want to peel off the 3M tape, such as so. I'm just going to discard that on the floor, y'all don't worry about that. And you want to try to get this on this banner, the back of the banner, as even and close to the bottom as you can possibly get it. So this takes a little bit of practice, but once you do about, I don't know, 5 of them, you'll have it down pretty good. After you get it down there, this is when you want to take this packing tape, rip off a generous piece.
Dang, that's too loud. What?
You the one too loud when I'm trying to do a video, little dude.
Okay.
Alright, so you take your tape, go ahead and put it on top. Just kind of smooth it down. This is going to act like another adhesive layer in conjunction with the 3M, and you good. Now you got the back side down. You want to take everything, flip it on the front, and guess what you're gonna do? And I don't know if everybody do this. Some people might just use the 3M tape and get up out of here and don't do nothing else, but I like to put another layer after the 3M and then another layer on the front. These retractable banners can be rethreaded with a whole new banner, so if you have the stand, unless you just want another one, there's really no reason to buy another one. Just get whoever did the original to put you a whole new banner in there. So I'm just laying the tape down nice and easy. Not rocket science. I did say I wanted to keep this video short, didn't I? So let me try to hurry this up, guys. I hope you can see everything. Alright, Caleb's still back there playing. So, take everything again, flip it back on its belly. It's good to go. Now from this point, I'm going to show this to you. From this point, it has like a little key, a little, I don't know what you call that little thing right there, but it's kind of like a key, which it locks the banner in place that it doesn't move while you're trying to work with it. But at this point, I'm getting ready to take that key out. So this banner will retract back extremely fast if I didn't hold it down, but I'm gonna hold it down while I'm taking it out. It's kind of tough, so ladies, you might need some help with this. Shit, some fellas, you might need some help with it.
Bum.
But, all right, so after you get it out, and the reason why I'm leaning on it, because if you don't hold it down, it's going to go up in there really fast. So you just want to pretty much thread it in there as straight as possible. Boom. All right, now, you pretty much done. I don't know if that was 10 minutes or what, but, and sometimes you have to play with it to get it to thread in there correctly. Boom. That's done. Now, the back of this banner stand has a little slot for this end to go in. This end is going to go towards the top where I showed you guys. It has this little latch right here. It says insert. That's where this piece is going to go. This piece is going to go inside there. This particular style actually has feet that kick out. Some actually are a little bit more premium than this, and they have like a wide base at the bottom. I like these right here. It's a lot more sturdy and they look good. So you just take that piece, slide it on down up in there. Bink up, bink up. Now, I'm gonna show you real quick. I hope I'm getting all this on video because I'm just trying to go fast and get this video done. But this lady coming to pick this banner up today, so I'm gonna take this out. Boom. Just let it go up as high as it can. On the gingerbread man. Alright, that's probably too high, but that's okay. Take the banner, pull it on up, slap it in that little slot that I told you guys. And that's it. Now let me come check it out from over there to see how it looks. You can't really see all of it because the light shining on it and stuff like that, but you get it. Hold on. As a matter of fact, let me bring you over here. Boom. So you see it. Alright. Down on the floor. Boom. So let me put this back over here. I know it ain't gonna be perfect, but it don't gotta be perfect. It's okay. Alright, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to make that video really quick today to show you how to do a retractable banner. As I told you, we also have some buttons for the gentleman. I think they have a memorial service for him tomorrow or maybe Saturday. At the bottom it says, when is his birthday? September 6th. So what's that, Saturday, right? September 6th, because the day the 4th. Yeah, I do believe so. So happy birthday, Fly Guy Terrio. We got a few buttons to go with it. Everybody gonna be happy. Beautiful thing. That's it, guys. I want to thank you so very much, as always, for checking in. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel.
R.I.P. to my man Terrio.
R.I.P. to Terrio. That's what Caleb say. But make sure that you guys check into the video. Don't check into the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so you can get notifications when we drop in brand new videos. We need you guys to, if you have not, join us in our Facebook group, which is called CAP University, Custom Apparel and Printing. There's actually a link at the bottom of the video. Just go down to the bottom of the video in the description area. Go down there and just hit the link. It's going to take you right to the page. You might have to put in your information and get into Facebook, but just hit the button and stuff. We're going to let you guys in, especially if you're creative. And we trying to network with people, guys. We building up our community. We looking for graphic designers. We looking for people that sew. We looking for people that teach. We looking for people that do embroidery, silk screen, DTG, wide format printing. We just looking for people in the creative space that want to join into the group. But we looking for people that we looking for people to help us grow the group, looking for people that want to come in and possibly start up day movements and stuff like that, man. So it's a good place to be if you want to network, if you want to make some new friends, if you want to learn some new tricks of the trades, if you want to level up your business, definitely come check us out at Cap University, guys. That is it. I appreciate you being here. As always, you know what I do at the end of the videos, right? Love and respect one another. Peace.
Peace, man.
They can't see you. Where you at?
Look.
Oh, okay. Now say peace.